How to use internet on flight mode in mobile.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel, fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol, fa la 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 la.
Now go to settings, switch on the flight mode, mobile signal gone away, as now I am unable to browse any page.
Strike the harp and join the chorus.
So to use internet in flight mode, go to dialer, dial hash number 4636 hash. Open, select the SIM from which you want to use internet. Suppose select phone information 1. Now search for mobile radio power, switch it on to use internet. Suppose select phone information 1. Now search for mobile radio power, switch it on, as now you can see the internet connectivity signal and able to browse. This is how you can use internet when flight mode is on.
Fast away the old year passes, la 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 la. Hail the new year, lads and lasses, la 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 la.
Thanks for watching. If you liked my video, kindly subscribe my channel.